First I'm getting the tray out. You should be able to lift it out straight up. So what I found is that it releases, at least in my case, in the rear first, and then you have to work your way to the front to lift the entire tray up. The next step is to remove two 20 torque screws that's securing the factory radio trim panel. And that's those two. Exactly at these corners, it still got stuck. The next step is to take off the two vents. They can each connected with one real torque screw. This is a torque screw. Now is to take off the hazard switch assembly, and that's in principle here the bottom one. The top one is for the airbag. You have to remove it from behind, and there are two clips, one clip on each side, and then you can press it out. It took me some time, but I got the antenna off, and you really have to put a screwdriver underneath just to push it out, because it was really stuck. And I put in the replacement antenna connector, so that's done. Then I have the new front panel. It's a little bit different than the old one, and I'm going to install the vents now first. Those 6 clips are in, and then it still needs a screw, and they have a new screw, so a Phillips screw. This is the airbag. Let's go. The airbag. Put it into. We also have the dash panel, the new dash panel. And we have to attach a few of the clips on here as well.